Welcome to the June edition of the Beef and Lamb Market Update. This month, we'll be taking a look at beef prices and lamb prices, as well as some trade developments around the world, which should support the domestic market. Beef prices took a bit of a hit in the first quarter, but have since been rising. Plenty of cattle coming out of winter feeding in good condition had led to a slightly oversupplied market. Since then, grass growth has started to improve, with excellent spring conditions in most areas. The price has lifted and gone above the 5-year average for the time of year. Cow prices also started the year fairly low, but have been positive ever since, rising consistently week on week for the past few months. The price is now also above the 5-year average for the time of year, even including the 2018 price that was particularly high, bringing that average up a fair amount. Both prime cattle production and cow beef production are expected to become a little tighter over the summer months, although that assumes a regular weather pattern over the summer, if there is such a thing. Furthermore, as expected, imports of Irish beef have been lower in the first quarter. This may well remain a theme throughout 2019, which could offer support to the market in the short term. Over to the lamb price. Although not quite as good as some expected, it had been following the 5-year average. Like the cow price, this average is also skewed a little by the particularly high price in 2018. But anyway, the price has recently moved above the 5-year average, showing decent underlying demand for lambs after a high April kill, mainly for Easter. Good grass growth rates and warm weather will be keeping disease risk low and growth rates high. This should be reducing on-farm costs. Ramadan may also be supporting demand somewhat, especially as the festival comes to an end with a feast in the first week of June. Elsewhere on the global market, both New Zealand and Australia are predicted to be short of lamb in 2019. Both slaughter and exports have been high towards the start of the year. However, lower lamb crop has been forecast for both countries, so this is predicted to become an issue later on. This could offer support to the market both here and throughout the EU. African swine fever, a fatal disease affecting pigs, is also continuing to be a serious issue in large areas of Asia, especially China and now Vietnam too. Not only is this increasing import demand for pork, but other proteins as well, including beef and lamb. Although the UK may not benefit directly from this, a large shift of proteins towards China, already a massive importer in the global market, could offer support to all protein markets around the globe. Some positive news for livestock farmers is downward pressure on the feed markets lately, which should reduce costs over the next few months and beyond if feed is brought forward. Take a look at the Beef Outlook for more information on the drivers behind the feed markets. So thank you for watching. You can subscribe to the AHDB Beef and Lamb YouTube account at any time to keep up to date on the latest market developments in the sector, as well as keep up to speed with a range of technical videos.